What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today is Thursday. I'm here at the pawn shop. See what else I can go to today. Those of you that are subscribed, appreciate you guys watching. Those of you that are not subscribed, please consider doing so. I go to the pawn shop, flea market, thrift stores, garage sales, pretty much anywhere I can go to pick up merchandise to resell, flip, and to add to my collection. This is what I do on this channel. If that kind of content interests you, please subscribe. Also, I'm sorry about yesterday, guys. Wasn't feeling well and I didn't get to go do a video, but today hopefully I'll hit some places. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, the pawn shop was a bust, but I'm here at Goodwill, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, here's a glimpse of the glass here as we're going in. Like I said yesterday, I didn't do a video. I was feeling really sick yesterday, but today I'm feeling motivated, want to get out here and look for stuff and bring you guys along for the ride. Alright, so the tags are blue, purple, and yellow. Let's grab a shopping cart, maybe we'll find some stuff. Who knows? I like that Dragon Age poster right there. That is cool. Let's see how much it is. Man, 20 bucks. That's pretty cool. Some TV, some bedposts. 15. Let's see what there is in the back. Here's the back one. It's a cool cap. 99 cents. Maybe. The back wall. Let's go look. Here's a tote. $8. Man. Here's a glimpse of the toys. I just grabbed this wiggle thing. I don't know if it's worth anything. I'm gonna look it up. See what else we can find. There's some Halloween costumes. Found some stuff, guys. Let's keep looking. Here's the electronics. Here we are at the area. Don't see anything, but I'm gonna look through it real quick, see if there's anything here. Just found all these. But for $2. You guys think it's worth it? I don't know. Start looking these up. Don't see anything else. This last week there was a bunch of anime. Oh, there's a heavy metal. I'm taking that. $3, man. These are interesting, guys. There's a bunch of these. I'll look these up. See if there's anything over here. There's the Infinity. A bunch of movies. Let me check these out. Just leaving Goodwill with a bag of stuff. I bought all those demos. Goodwill's back here. Let's go see what else we can find. I'm actually gonna go look at a Volkswagen, a little buggy. They say it's the oil's already in the water, which is never good. But I might go check it out, and I might even pick it up, put it on the channel. So I'll let you guys know when we get there. Alright guys, I'm here looking at the buggy. It's in really rough shape. Looks like it needs a lot of work. They want $600 for it, so don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, so I went to check out that Volkswagen. You can see the footage. I wasn't sure on picking it up. It needed a lot of work, and as soon as I was leaving, there was somebody else showing up, and the guy sold it to that couple. I'm out here in Port Isabel. I drove another, I think it was 30 minutes away from the house. I was going to come and look at a Mini Cooper, and my luck, as soon as I got here, it had already sold. So I'm stopping at the Migo Pawn here in Port Isabel. Let's go see if we can find anything. Alright, just leaving the pawn shop. Found some goodies. We'll go through it when we get home. Alright, so I'm back at home. This is what I purchased at Goodwill. You guys saw these. There's a ton of these demo discs. Some of these are about $10-15. Some of them are only about $8, but for $2 I picked them all up. I got this N64 Classic PC controller at Goodwill. I got Clifford the dog. A Pikachu needs to be cleaned up. I tested it, it works. Same thing with Sully. He talks when you press his belly. Rick and Morty character. A domo dressed up as a nerd. This is for my kids, an avocado plushie, donkey, and Squishmallow. And the VHS movie. This VHS movie, I thought it was heavy metal. It wasn't. The case was heavy metal, and that wasn't. The car, when I got there in Porterville, about 30-minute drive, was already sold. So I ended up stopping at the pawn shop, like you guys saw in the clip, and I ended up picking up this PSP for 40 bucks. In total, I spent $98 on all this stuff. So just show you what I got. Got this DS game. I only picked it up. I've never heard of it, but it's not worth much. This Dark Souls is worth about 20. We got Guitar Hero, this is about 30. Paragon's Quest was 10. Dead Space was 15. This King's Quest was 30. Viva Pinata was 25. Armored Core was 15. This Naruto Rise of the Ninja was 35. I don't think I looked this one up either. So there's 2 or 3 that I didn't look up. Don't know about that one. And these I just took a chance because they were pretty cheap. So that's pretty much what I picked up today, guys. Hopefully soon I'll be getting a vehicle put on the channel. Until then, I'll catch you guys next time.